Centuries of heritage and history come to life as you explore the alluring treasures and traditions of Europe. Delight in the one-of-a-kind landmarks, culture and cuisine while cruising the legendary Rhine, Main and Danube rivers. Along the way, feast your eyes on the architectural jewels and storied landmarks that are the hallmark of this epic region. Tailor your experience by choosing from included cultural excursions, allowing you to personalize your journey. On your exclusively chartered first-class ship, unpack once and enjoy gracious service, gourmet cuisine, and comfortable cabins. As you explore, relish comfortable camaraderie and new friendships that create unforgettable memories. Throughout this incredible journey, you will be in the care of a seasoned travel director who handles all logistics, allowing you to thoroughly enjoy your destination. And our expert guides and local speakers will make the region's unique history and culture come to life. Plus, all of our trips feature free time, so you can strike off on your own and make new discoveries. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.